moving on slightly, the add-ons. I got quite a few. Let's see what's in there, shall we? Let's see. Ta-da! This is the Grown Alchemist Body Cleanser, Chamomile, Bergamot, and Rose. I'm sure this smells like $1 million, but let's just smell it anyway. It smells very woodsy, it has a fragrance, but it smells natural, like what you would expect, you know, walking through a forest or a garden. Has that kind of scent. It's not a sugary kind of scent that suggests flowers. It does smell woodsy, dare I say almost a scent of pine might be in there, but it doesn't. It says it's chamomile, bergamot, and rose. So I like it. It kind of reminds me of the Paul Mitchell lavender mint shampoo smell. It's that same kind of woodsy forest type of smell. It's clean, it smells delicious. It's not overly sugary, perfumey, that kind of thing. It smells, dare I say, kind of natural. And the next thing on this is Tech Candy IDME cord tag set. Okay, hold on. Ah, yes, here it is. That it? Yes. This is interesting. That's a pen. Okay, this says it's called ID Me, a charging cord ID tags. So I guess you use the pen to write on there, and I like ID tags. Why did I order this? 6 tags for any 6 cords you want to tag. Each tag clamps easily and instantly onto USB power to other cords, Tech Candy or otherwise. And this is a permanent marker. Okay, so now you know. Practical. Again, this is very much a lifestyle box. Next thing that they have in here is, let me just surprise you now. When I saw this, I had to get it. This is from Kors, and this is the Wild Rose Brightening Set. I managed to get something from Kors once out of, I think it was a BoxyCharm box, and it was a moisturizer it was Wild Rose. I used it on my face as a prep before I started putting on my makeup, and it moisturized, this little goes a long way, it moisturized my skin, and it felt so nice and soft and supple, and the moisturization stayed in place for more than a day. It just impressed me. So I said, you know, one of these days, if I ever see anything of Kors and it's on sale, I'm gonna get it. So here we go. I think this has more than one in the line for the Wild Rose collection. So now I get to try other things. I'm so excited. I will review this in a future video. So excited. What left? Oh, one more. And I've talked about this company recently, and they showed up in FabFitFun again. This is War. And this is the Prime Pump and Shine set. Ooh, goody goody. Can't wait to utilize. So it comes in this bag like so. And it says that it's the set. That's the scalp detox. I have that one. So now I have a little size of it. Oh, this is really cute. It comes in a cute little bag like this that you could travel with if you'd like, and it stays in the bag. And it looks like it has sample sizes of everything. Let's see what it has. It has Rhythm of the Rain, the hair mask and scalp detox, which I talked about in the prior video. I'll post that somewhere here at the end of the video. It also showcases a Walk in the Sun, which is their luxury hair oil. Okay, War, I see you. So they also include, oh, a comb, wide tooth comb to massage it and comb it through to evenly distribute, along with something called Sunrise Rituals, which is their signature shampoo, which I have never tried, and their Sunset Rituals, which is their signature conditioner. I can't wait to use these in the shower tonight. This will be interesting to see if the whole setup works according to plan. And I wasn't expecting that little comb. It's so cute. So what did I think of my Spring 2021 editor's box from FabFitFun. I really liked it. There's something that speaks to every aspect of my personality, whether it's growing basil in a container garden, the scents that are being put in some of these products, the fact that FabFitFun has declared a FabFitFun standard, to start removing certain ingredients from products that they will be promoting moving forward. Something practical like this, for your cords. And I'm just stunned. Like, it's a little bit of everything. Even a hat. I am loving this. So again, FabFitFun, true lifestyle box. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below what you got. Are you a FabFitFun subscriber? I do have a code like everybody else, but it's easily found on the internet. If you were never a FabFitFun subscriber, you can get a certain percentage off. FabFitFun has commercials all the time on sites like this, YouTube. It's easy to come across them and use their code. But if you would like to use my code, hey, DM me, let me know. You're welcome to use it. Thank you so much for joining me, and I can't wait to see what the next box is going to bring. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.